So I don't normally stop on this hill climb because I absolutely love trying to get up here over time, but it's a very steep climb, so it's right down there all the way to the top of here. But yeah, I wanted to stop because this view is absolutely gorgeous. So you don't know if you can see the bridge, but it's just such a lovely setting. And they actually do a hill climb called Jackson Bridge on this part, and there must be an event soon, Jackson Bridge hill climb, so I might have a look at that. That last bit always gets me. Just got back from a cycle and now I'm taking Mac's walk, which is my partner's parents' dog. I've got to say, since I've replaced the cassette and chain, it's running so much more smoother. So basically I wasn't checking my chain enough and I destroyed the cassette and the chain, and every time I was pedaling in the smallest cog, it just kept on jumping. I tried to fix it, but I just thought to myself, just do the expensive way, replace the cassette, replace the chain. So guys, don't make the same mistake as me. Make sure you check your chain quite often with a chain checker. Otherwise you're going to pay like £200 plus rather than just £30 for a new chain. I'm not the greatest at bike mechanics, but I am learning. So yeah, that's basically a hard lesson learnt. So I don't know why I'm telling you this, but this road here, it's really windy, and one evening I decided to come up here like 10 PM, it was pitch black. I got my tripod out and my camera, and I got a really good long exposure shot, which I'll try and find and put on my screen now. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but yeah, just rambling.